Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Autos. Today we're diving into the exciting new 2026 Toyota van, a vehicle that's about to redefine what we expect from family and adventure travel. Whether you're a weekend explorer, a busy parent, or someone who just loves the van lifestyle, Toyota has packed a lot into this upcoming model that you're going to love. So let's get right into it. First things first, let's talk about the design. Toyota has completely refreshed the exterior of the 2026 van, giving it a bold, futuristic look without losing that trusted reliability vibe we all know. The front fascia sports a wider, more aggressive grille with sleek LED headlights that wrap into the sides, giving it a dynamic, forward-moving stance. It's aerodynamic, stylish, and unmistakably modern. Moving around to the side, the new Toyota van features clean lines and slightly flared wheel arches, hinting at a bit more ruggedness. And yes, it's riding on newly designed alloy wheels that not only look good, but also improve performance. In the back, the van showcases an updated taillight design that stretches across the rear hatch, making it look wider and more premium. It's all about making a statement, even when you're just pulling into the grocery store parking lot. Now let's step inside, because Toyota has really upped their game here. The 2026 van comes with a completely redesigned cabin that focuses on comfort, technology, and practicality. Premium materials are everywhere, with available options like leather seating, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting. There's seating for up to 8 passengers, and Toyota made sure that even the third row feels spacious. One of the biggest highlights is the all-new infotainment system. A huge 15-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, paired with an advanced digital gauge cluster for the driver. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, of course. But what's really impressive is the new voice assistant system, which makes controlling your van as easy as having a conversation. Under the hood, Toyota offers 2 powertrain options. The standard model comes with a fuel-efficient 2.5-liter hybrid engine, providing plenty of power while maintaining impressive fuel economy. For those who need a little more punch, there's a turbocharged 2.4-liter hybrid available, offering excellent towing capacity without sacrificing efficiency. And yes, all-wheel drive will be an option, making the 2026 Toyota van perfect for those winter adventures or trips off the beaten path. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2026 van is no different. It comes loaded with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, and a brand new feature called Intersection Assist, which adds an extra layer of protection at busy crossings. Finally, pricing is expected to start around $40,000, depending on the trim and options you choose. Toyota is planning to offer a range of models from practical base trims to luxury-focused versions packed with tech and comfort features. That's a wrap for today's look at the 2026 Toyota van. If you're excited about this release or have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Dream Autos for more updates on the latest and greatest rides. See you in the next one.